At La Trobe Financial, we look out for you so that you can look out for those you love. And last month, we announced an out-of-cycle increase to the investment rates of 3 of our portfolio accounts. Our 12-month term, 2-year and 4-year account investors all enjoying uplifts to their investment rates effective from the 1st of April. All of our portfolio accounts, they are now delivering investment returns which sit at their highest point in a decade. This can only be delivered by having a highly diversified portfolio comprised of high quality assets. Portfolios which continue to exhibit strong underlying performance with resilient income profiles, a reflection of our investment fundamentals which has supported our proven delivery of a premium, low volatility income across all market and economic cycles. As we've been saying for some time now, with central bank rates having increased, investors finally have options. There is a yield curve in markets. Today's prevailing dynamic is no longer the hunt for yield, it's the flight to quality. And that's where La Trobe Financial comes in as a proven generator of low volatility income across all market cycles. We always say that the quality of assets within investment portfolios is important at any stage, but particularly so after an extended rate hiking cycle. As a business, we maintain strict and disciplined controls on asset quality and perform hands-on, deep dive analysis on each loan application. But more than that, we also monitor our borrower credit scores and make that information public. At the recent quarter end, our average borrower credit score increased to 870, only slightly behind the big 4 banks. These are genuine, high-quality assets. The country's leading credit scoring agency, Equifax, they consider a credit score of above 833 as excellent. And these are loans which are extremely granular, with an average investment loan size of $850,000. An examination of the 10 largest mortgage investments across our fund shows they comprise just 2.1% of total fund assets. No one asset can drive our performance up or down, and that provides wonderful resilience across the cycle. While we're of course incredibly proud of the performance profile of our portfolio accounts, it is also something which is increasingly recognised by investors and the broader market. Often among the fastest growing funds in Australia's entire wealth management industry, our 12-month term account is the largest actively managed fund in any asset class in Australia. The month of March, that saw the second highest ever net inflows into the La Trobe Australian Credit Fund, with some $238 million invested by our almost 100,000 investors. To each investor, we thank you for your ongoing trust and support. We are also proud to announce that our 12-month term account has been named as a finalist for the Australian Fixed Income Fund of the Year at Lonsec's annual Fund Manager of the Year Awards, with the winner to be announced in June. Finally, you may have noticed that earlier this month, we released a new marketing campaign titled Grandpa's Gift, which is now running across a range of mediums, including television. For over 70 years, our clients have relied on us to look after them so that they can look after those they love. With this as our foundation, we have created a campaign that we think truly captures the hearts of our investors. It depicts, in a really beautiful way, our investor base and puts the focus on those investors who are seeking a prosperous future and a dignified retirement. The story celebrates a life of well-managed investment choices that affords freedom in later years. It shows a connection between generations and taps into our universal desire to care for our families through everyday acts of kindness. We are one of Australia's leading retirement income providers, and this campaign captures the people we serve in a very heartfelt, human way. We hope you enjoy the new campaign, and as always, thank you for watching.